ChatGPT-4o versus Gemini Pro 1.5 prompts for the best AI chatbot. Two of the most robust AI platforms till date are Google Gemini and OpenAI's ChatGPT. Both possess extensive capabilities to perform cutting-edge AI-driven tasks efficiently, leveraging immense computational resources for their training processes. Recently, both platforms have undergone significant upgrades, enhancing their ability to support a wide range of tasks in both free and paid versions of ChatGPT. If you're trying to decide between the two, here are some key comparisons to help you choose. Number 1. Better comprehension of abstract art. A test was conducted to evaluate each platform's ability to interpret abstract art. Users were given an image of a popular public domain abstract painting and asked to analyze its meaning or the message the artist intended to convey. Both platforms recognized the 80-year-old painting and provided excellent analysis. However, GPT-4 offered a brief and detailed description, while Gemini gave a more concise answer. When asked to find the meaning in another abstract image, both platforms identified emotional turmoil. Despite similar answers, ChatGPT is considered better for its more detailed descriptions. Number 2. Can AI be a jury? Another test involved imagining a future scenario where AI acts as a judiciary system, identifying suspects and making decisions. The AI had to argue for and against arresting an individual expected to commit a heinous crime based on their profile. ChatGPT refused to suggest any argument, while Gemini followed the prompt without hesitation, indicating less ethical scruple. Therefore, Gemini wins this point for its willingness to engage with the scenario. Number 3. Expressing empathy. This prompt tested which AI chatbot could express empathy better. The scenario involved a friend who got a dream job but had to relocate without their partner, who threatened to end the relationship if the friend took the job. Both platforms offered complex responses with multiple suggestions. ChatGPT provided 8 ideas, while Gemini suggested 5 and concluded with the message, "There may not be a perfect solution." In this case, Gemini's empathetic approach gives it the edge. Best AI chatbot depends on your needs. ChatGPT generally offers better reasoning abilities and more detailed responses. On the other hand, Gemini provides answers in a more conversational tone and handles various tasks impressively. Overall, users tend to favor ChatGPT for its comprehensive abilities, although Gemini performs exceptionally well in specific scenarios.